What is Palencia? Man, I'm glad you asked because I know exactly what Palencia is. And my goal by the end of this show today is to let y'all know a little bit about what Palencia is as well. Palencia is actually a fantastic, beautiful master plan community right here in the amazing St. Johns County. I want y'all to come and experience what Palencia is along with me and see why I talk about it the way that I do. Been in St. Johns County for 3 years now, absolutely love it, call it home. And I just want to go out and share some of the beauty that is St. Johns County with any one of y'all who are thinking of coming here and experiencing it, or even somebody who lives here and just wants to look at what's a different part of St. Johns County like. Ultimately, at the end of the day, that's what I'm here for. Mat Cleaves, eXp Realty, aka Making Moves with Matt. Today, I'm gonna take you on a quick tour to check out Palencia. So let's take a look. Palencia is located in St. Johns County. Again, we're just below Jacksonville. And as you head down one of those big neighborhoods up on the top, there is Nocatee. And as you follow US 1, Route 1 down south, going to St. Augustine, the next giant, beautiful master plan community that you're going to run into is Palencia. So this will be right off of US 1 and International Golf Parkway. Right where those two intersect is where you'll find the entrance to Palencia. And at the entrance to Palencia, you're going to have this little shopping center here. So you've got some great options available. That Cinco de Mayo restaurant right there is pretty doggone good for some Mexican food. They make a really interesting fajitas in a pineapple. Me and my wife have split that a couple of times. If you're going to go there, if you're into that kind of stuff, highly recommend it. It was pretty dang tasty. They also are going to have these little office condo suites here. So if you are a doctor, lawyer, CPA, somebody who likes to run with a actual storefront location, how nice would it be able to have that right in the front of your neighborhood? That's a dream commute right there, if there ever was one, right? I mean, if you don't have the ability to work from home, then at least you can work right from the very front of your neighborhood. Seems like a win-win for sure. Of course, you saw back there we've got our Starbucks, so you got to get that coffee fix in the morning before you head on out. And as you drive around in Palencia, this is a little bit of what you're going to see. We'll give y'all just a minute to soak some of this up. Absolutely love the look and the feel of the homes here in Palencia. So this is a neighborhood that was actually started back in 2001 and was just recently completed for the most part as far as all of the major building and overall sales that were going on. Right now it looks like there's a couple of custom home lots that may still be available, but there's no on-site builders offering like model homes and sales and things like that at this point any longer. So Palencia in general has multiple home builders that are going to be in here. David Weekley Homes, ICI Homes, Toll Brothers, Lennar, Dosty Homes, just to name a few. And then of course you're also going to have all of the additional custom home builders that were allowed. So Palencia, unlike multiple other larger communities like this, actually allowed for custom home building, which is pretty cool. Most other, master plan communities, larger communities have only specific builders that came in and built in the neighborhood. So that's going to give Palencia a whole additional look and feel that just makes it so much different and just feel, like every home is just a little bit more different than the next home out here in Palencia for sure. You obviously have the larger size lots that you guys can see. So Palencia is also built around a golf course. That's going to be Palencia Golf Club. So if you want to have a beautiful home in a prestigious neighborhood that also happens to be on a golf course, this may be a great option for you. You got houses that are actually on the golf course itself. You've got houses that are waterfront. You've got houses that are going to back up to the marsh and the preserve. So, right in the very back of Palencia, at the very back, you're basically going to back up to the Guana and the Talamado River, and then you'll have a little strip of A1A, and then you're going to have the Atlantic Ocean. So it's very, very natural back there. You can kind of see that in the picture. So that was the Talamado River. You have some marshland, and then the Guana River, and then A1A, and then Atlantic. So pretty neat. Huge thing that Palencia is known for is that these homes on the resale side are doing really well. It's a very well-to-do, fantastic neighborhood. Holds its value. Most people just absolutely love living here. You're gonna have expansive nature preserves all throughout the neighborhood. It's actually built on a 30-acre park system. So if you like to get out and just enjoy the beauty of nature, mixed in with the beauty of the real estate that is available in this neighborhood, wow. Talk about getting your morning stroll in, huh? So aside from the golf course, there are also tennis courts. There's 3 swimming pools. There's a fitness center. There's a clubhouse. There's a spa. And they also have dining that's available as part of the amenities for Palencia. So, you're really getting a lot of bang for your buck when it comes to being in an HOA and the amenities that the HOA is going to offer for where you're at. Palencia is, absolutely one of the top premier destinations when it comes to the amenities that are going to be included, the selection and the variety, the style, the beauty of the homes that are available here. It's stunning, honestly. Altogether, Palencia is built on about 2,350 acres. There's approximately 2,000 homes or so. So it's a pretty good sized neighborhood, but there's only 2,000 homes, and you can kind of tell that these homes, there's all different versions of them, right? But for the most part, a lot of these homes have really, really good sized lots. And when you get back into some of these homes, back into the marsh and the preserve back here, some of these just have absolutely huge lots. They have all the privacy in the world when you're backing up to those, natural preserves back there. Stunning. As you can tell, these Spanish tile roofs are very popular here in Palencia. There are multiple options in different areas that are going to incorporate that Spanish tile roof. That's definitely a big design style that was implemented throughout the entire neighborhood. So just zooming in and giving you a better idea of that shopping center. There's a Publix right out front. So you can do your grocery shopping. You don't even have to leave the neighborhood. You just drive right up to the front. These are some of those houses that back up to the river. You can kind of see that in the background there. So there's going to be a lot of opportunities in Palencia to be able to own a home that just really gives you a lot of privacy, a lot of space. Very few places in Palencia are going to be a house backing up to another house. You're not going to have that feel going on in Palencia at all. You're going to feel like you've got plenty of room to spread out. The landscaping, everybody keeps up on it. It's just absolutely beautiful here. So right once you get past the little shopping center, there's some townhomes back there, condos that are available that you can. That's Salsa's Mexican restaurant right there. Fantastic also, obviously, if you can't tell. I'm from Southern California and lived in Texas for many years. I'm a big Mexican food fan. But definitely some good options for you for sure if you like Mexican, and then all of these other great amenities that are here right in your little neighborhood shopping center. And then you've got this small little kind of pocket neighborhood of homes here. So this is kind of a small area, but it is built backing right up to the elementary school. So one of the fantastic things about living in St. Johns County is St. Johns County is always ranked right at the very top of school districts. We've got the best schools in all of Florida. So if there's somewhere you're going to go to raise a family, if you've got kids, if that's a big concern of yours, that's a fantastic reason to look at moving to St. Johns County. It's a huge reason why my wife and my 3 kids moved here to St. Johns County. Right here in Palencia, they actually have their own elementary school, which is what these homes kind of back up to. And that's going to be Palencia Elementary. And you can see that in the picture there. And they've also got some play parks and different things that are available in the area. Right up in this area here, once you get past the first little entrance, then you're going to run into these townhomes, condos. It's got this kind of little downtown market feel here. And just a little bit further up past the condos, there's actually going to be a little market area where it's got some shops and different things that are just right here in the neighborhood for everybody. Right here in this cute little downtown area, you're going to have not only these little shops, but also some individual townhomes. So if you wanted to live right here in this little downtown market area, that's going to be available to you for sure. Right behind here, you have the amenities, the pools, and all of those great amenities here in Palencia. And as you come to the back, they've got another condo complex there if you want to purchase a condo and live that nice condo life right next to the golf course, Palencia Golf Club, coming up right over here. And this is that little downtown area. There's the pools, like I mentioned. You've got the golf course right over here. And then you've got these little outskirt areas of Palencia. Palencia, like many other communities here in St. Johns County, is a gated community. So even though this is a very family-focused area, just to kind of heighten or excel that amount of security and safety, most of the neighborhoods here are gated. So you will have a gate to get in and out. It's just something that is part of Florida life here. And we'll take a look at some more of the absolutely beautiful real estate that's available here in Palencia before I close this out. I appreciate everybody joining me today. Again, I'm Mat Cleaves, eXp Realty, making moves with Matt. If you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate anywhere in St. Johns County and you need a guide to help you navigate the waters, make your way to that dream home, find that area that you've been looking for, I would love to help you out. Hope everybody has a great rest of your day. Thank you.